lows in the mid-30s. Monday, around the region, Nashville, fog was reported 35 degrees, wind north at 13 miles an hour. Wind west at 6 miles an hour. Service emergency warning system at Cleveland, WXJ53. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. Preceding was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning system. This test is conducted at approximately. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. Jackson, Lufkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.